Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be cleaning the inside of my refrigerator as it needs it really bad. As you can see, it is really nasty, and I'm getting ready to pick up groceries, so I'm going to get everything thrown out of here, get all these drawers and these glass pieces out, and get this really cleaned up, and then clean the glass and stuff and the shelves and get it all put back in there and throw away all the extra food that I didn't need anymore. That way I could put my groceries in here. I also had ordered some organizers from Amazon for my refrigerator and my freezer. So I will be doing an upcoming video of organizing my refrigerator. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you do, please hit that like and subscribe button.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds.
Here I'm just using this Fabuloso. It's the antibacterial one, and then I'm just going to put a couple of squirts of Dawn dish soap in some really hot water, and I've already sprayed the refrigerator down with the Dawn power wash, and that's how I'm going to clean it.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
does anyone else's refrigerator gets this nasty? Like, I was embarrassed to even show you all this, but I have 4 kids, and I have 9 dogs altogether with my 3 puppies right now, so I have a lot on my plate.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
I brought this table in here just to sit everything from the refrigerator on it because I don't have that much counter space, and it gave me a whole lot more room to just bring this in. And here I'm just going to be drying everything off that I've washed so I could put it back in.
I just wanna hold you, I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and it gave you the motivation to get your refrigerator done. I will be showing y'all a clip right here at the end of the after. If you enjoyed my video today, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.